Hi everybody! Recently I acquired this huge chisel and I tried to restore it. However, I noticed one big problem. When I try to flatten the back, I noticed I cannot even get into the edge. It's either I flatten all of this material or grind, I don't know, 1/8 of the inch and then rebevel this slick. This looks quite a bit of intentional. Somebody literally made a kind of bevel on the tip, and within this last 1/8 of the inch. My attempt will be to fix this one by grinding this off and then kind of flatten this or the rest of it. Maybe I'm overdoing this, but 1/8 of the inch compared to the size of this slick is kind of nothing. It will be quite an effort to do that and then rebevel this stuff, but that's another challenge for my brand new grinder. So this is the standard process for fixing a bunch of the chisels. The first thought people may have is to grind off like at an angle and just build a bevel, and then that would be it. But it's actually way better is to do it like this way. So you basically destroy the edge right away and grind to the line that you need, and then build up the whatever the angle you need, because that's why it's actually easier to control and harder to overburn material. Okay. I think that's it for this angle. I basically destroyed this slick completely, and now time to fix it. Okay, so when you do that, do the checking and see if the wheel is grinding in the middle. So basically you're taking thing in the middle, so you're doing the right angle. And now, and because I need to remove quite a bit of material, I'm trying to go as aggressive as I can. So key here is the metal platform that transfer the heat from whatever grinding and feeling the heat. So if I can still hold my fingers there, then it's not hot enough to burn anything. I don't know, maybe I can do it using just sandpaper or whatever diamond, but it would take ages, or at the very least I wouldn't do this process the same way. I cannot even say that I'm getting closer. It's like nice on this one, but it's still quite far away. Okay, it's taking time because like it needs to remove quite a bit of material. That's quite good. So now I have very nice grind and almost fixed. Now this side is good. I still need to work on the back. This is just was preliminary stoning. It still actually can work even with this one, but a little bit of pitting here, it's not good for chiseling or slicking. I don't know what's kind of the taste now. But now it's a nice grind, reasonably straight. There's a tiny bit not super edgy, but because it's a hollow grind, even it's like on an 8-inch wheel, I will be able to easily, just on the stones, it will become flat very quickly. So now I have almost working slick. What I'm gonna do with this, I do not know yet. I don't plan any timber framing, maybe. But it's a cool tool. The next step will be to make a handle for this, and I need to decide how big handle I want to make. So it's actually called framing chisel, despite what I was thinking that it's a slick. Slicks a slightly different purpose, slightly different design, and this one is really framing chisel. So I found a piece of, I think it's some kind of a bishop wood that I found like 2 years ago, and I'll try to turn something. All I need to do is to put some diameter here, so I can actually shuffle it in. And on the other side, I need to put a little bit of conical shape. Let's start. Do 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 do. 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 Da 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 da. Okie dokie. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. And just separate, but I'll do it by hand. And it's ready for quite a bit of action. Kind of prepared and polished this ring. It's right there. It's really nice. I don't even know where I found it, but I found it somewhere. So now I literally just need to put it in. Okay. Now the only thing that I forgot to do is to apply some finish. And the only one I have right now is my boiled linseed oil. And from what I saw in pictures or on videos for the framing chisels, the handles are really small, like about 6 inches. I actually made mine quite big. So if I put it back, okay. Finally, the last step, I finally decided to actually sharpen the stuff. I already prepared the back, but only on a coarse stone. I'll just sharpen. It's already quite nice, as you can see. Bottom part and the top part is already kind of sharpened, but I don't feel the burr. And I know the reason is because I did not get to the edge with the grinder, and with such I need to do a little bit more. I feel burr everywhere, so I just stop. There's absolutely no reason to go anywhere further. Do on this one. And on this one. Okay, I basically just count to 50 and decided to stop. So now you will see there is a very nice 2 lines, and here and there. This side is perfectly done. What I need to do is kind of make sure the back is not fully messed up. Okay, I did 30 on this one, and just, I don't know, 30, 40, 50. Okay, let's just stop at 40. And the only thing left, and what I'm doing, is stropping. And perfect. And my usual test. Good. Very good. I mean, the real test is actually with the paper. If I can easily shave the paper like this. Not like this, maybe. I guess not all parts of this chisel are good or equal. If I can do this, it's sharp. Now it's super ready for some kind of action. Oh my gosh. And by the way, this is maple. Super good. So now I have my brand new framing chisel. The only thing I need to figure out what I'm going to be framing. That would be the hardest part. Thank you for watching this video. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. You can do work of slick with a chisel, but unfortunately you cannot do work of chisel with a slick, which is kind of unexpected. I thought slick is a kind of a cool thing, like much better thing than chisel. Apparently slick is slick and chisel is chisel. That part I did not know.